problem 11, container with most water. So this problem gives us an array of integer, which we'll call heights, right? And it looks like this, right? If putting it in a bar chart, it will look something like this. And our goal is to find the possible container that will contain the most water, right? So yeah, something like this. So in this case, the most water will be from this number, from 8 and to 7, right? So it is 7 because the 7 is shorter than 8 times 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 7, which is 49. So output is 49. Yeah, so that's what we have to do. And my approach to this problem is to use 2 pointers again. So here I initialize my maximum to 0, my I to 0, and j to size minus 1, which is the back, right? So let me just rename them to start and end so it's easier to keep track. Right, so I have a starting pointer which starts from the beginning and an end pointer which starts from the back. Right. Okay, so while my start is less than end, right, and I calculate the total, right. So I do that by calculating the minimum of the two heights. So in this case, we'll be comparing the first one, which is 1, against 7, right? And in this case, the smallest one is 1, so it will be 1 times n minus start, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is 9 minus, which is 9 up basically. So 1 times 9, so the area right now we have is 9, right? Let me just quickly write it down. So our maximum, our total is 9. Our maximum is, since maximum is initialized at 0 and 9 is more than 0, right? So maximum will become 9 now. Okay, after that, I will move the pointer depending on which height is smaller, right? So in this case, since the smaller one is at the start, so start will increase by 1. So right now start is at 8, right? So let me do start is equals to 8 and n is equals to 7, right? This is at index 1, index 9, 8, sorry. Okay, index 1. Alright, so after that, I do the same thing again. I calculate the total, which in this case will be the minimum of the two. Since the minimum is 7 times n minus start, so 8 minus 1 is 7, so 7 times 7 is 49. And then since 49 is more than 9, we increase it again, right? After that, we check which one is the shorter one and remove the shorter one again, right? So we move here, so this one becomes 7 and the index now becomes 3, and then we calculate again. So I just do this one more time. So the total will be 3 times n minus start, which is 6, right? So 3 times 6, this will give us 18. And since 18 is lesser than 49, the maximum will not change, right? Then we move the pointer at the back again because it's the shorter one, right? So this goes on until both pointers meet, which means that we have calculated all possible areas from two sides. Right? After that, the while loop will end, and then we return the maximum, which for this example, it will be 49. All right, that's all I have to show. Thanks.